Best Marine Tower speakers deliver powerful, clear sound for boats and outdoor use. Built to be waterproof and durable, they perform well in tough marine conditions while enhancing your on-water audio experience. Starting at number 1. Rockville WB50 KLS Marine Tower Speakers. The Rockville WB50 KLS, pair, black 5.25-inch 250W stainless steel marine wakeboard tower speakers are designed to deliver powerful, high-quality audio performance in demanding outdoor and marine environments. Built specifically for boats, ATVs, UTVs, and other powersports vehicles, these speakers combine durability, style, and strong sound output to enhance any outdoor adventure. Each speaker features a 5.25-inch woofer paired with a 1-inch titanium dome tweeter, producing a balanced audio experience with crisp highs, detailed mids, and punchy low-end performance. With a peak power handling of up to 250 watts per speaker and 125 watts RMS, they are capable of delivering loud, clear sound that easily cuts through wind, water, and engine noise, making them ideal for open-air listening conditions. Number 2. Pair Kicker 45KM84L Waterproof Speakers. The Kicker 45KM84L Plus Rockville Mac 80S bundle is a powerful marine audio setup designed for boats, wakeboard towers, ATVs, and other outdoor adventures. This package combines Kicker's 8-inch marine coaxial speakers with durable aluminum wakeboard tower enclosures from Rockville, delivering a complete solution for loud, clear, and reliable outdoor sound. The Kicker 45KM84L speakers are built for high-performance audio with a 600W peak power handling, 300W per speaker, producing strong bass, detailed mids, and crisp highs. They also feature a 1-inch titanium tweeter, UV-treated polypropylene woofer, and sealed waterproof construction, making them highly resistant to saltwater, UV rays, and harsh weather conditions. Integrated 7-color LED lighting adds a stylish visual effect, making them ideal for night cruising or parties on the water. Number 3. DS18MP4 TP.4A Marine Tower Speakers. The DS18MP4 TP.4A 4-inch 600W Bluetooth Marine Tower Speakers system is a complete all-in-one marine and powersports audio package designed for boats, ATVs, UTVs, and other outdoor vehicles. It includes 4 4-inch marine tower speakers, a 4-channel digital amplifier, and a Bluetooth receiver with remote control, making it a fully integrated solution for wireless outdoor sound. With a total peak power output of up to 600 watts, this system is built to deliver loud, clear audio that performs well in open environments where wind, engine noise, and distance can affect sound quality. Each speaker in the MP4 TP.4A setup is engineered for durability and performance in harsh conditions. They feature waterproof and UV-resistant construction, allowing them to withstand exposure to water, sun, dust, and vibrations commonly found in marine and off-road environments. The speakers are designed with a frequency response range of approximately 60 Hz to 20 kHz, producing a balanced sound profile with clear highs and decent mid-range output for their compact size. Despite being only 4 inches, they are tuned for efficiency and can produce impressive volume when properly powered by the included amplifier. Number 4. Pyle Waterproof Marine Tower Speakers. The Pyle Waterproof Marine Wakeboard Tower Speakers, PLMRW65, 6.5-inch, 200W, 1 pair, are budget-friendly marine speakers designed for boats, wakeboard towers, and other outdoor audio setups where durability and basic sound performance are needed. Built with a 6.5-inch dual speaker system, they include a 1-inch dome tweeter and a poly woofer cone, delivering a balanced sound profile with decent highs and mid-range clarity. With a peak power handling of up to 200 watts, these speakers are capable of producing enough volume for small to medium outdoor spaces, making them suitable for casual boating, fishing trips, or recreational water activities. These speakers are designed with marine-grade, IP44 water-resistant housing, allowing them to withstand splashes, rain, and general exposure to outdoor conditions. The durable ABS construction and protective metal grille help resist corrosion, sun damage, and physical impact, ensuring longer life in harsh marine environments. The butyl rubber surround adds extra durability to the speaker cone, improving flexibility and resistance to wear over time. They are also built with a frequency response range of approximately 70 Hz to 20 kHz, which allows them to handle both low and high frequencies reasonably well for their class. Number 5. Pyle Marine Speakers 5.25-inch Speakers. The Pyle PLMRWB50L 5.25-inch marine speakers, pair, are compact, budget-friendly wakeboard tower speakers designed for boats, ATVs, and outdoor audio setups where basic waterproof performance and simple installation are the main priorities. Built with IP44 rated water resistance, these speakers are engineered to handle light rain, splashes, and general outdoor exposure, making them suitable for recreational marine use. Their construction includes a rugged ABS housing combined with stainless steel elements, which helps improve durability and resistance against corrosion, sun damage, and harsh weather conditions during regular use. Each speaker features a 5.25-inch woofer paired with a 1-inch dome tweeter, delivering a basic two-way audio setup intended to provide balanced sound output across lows, mids, and highs. With a maximum power handling of around 200 watts per pair, the system is capable of producing moderate volume levels that work best in small to medium open environments. The frequency response of approximately 60 Hz to 20 kHz allows the speakers to cover a wide range of sound, although bass performance is naturally limited due to the compact size. These speakers are more focused on clarity and simplicity rather than deep bass or high-end audio precision.